In this video, I want to tell you about generative geometry. I came across a specialized program called Topology. Here it is, you see? It allows you to create all sorts of meshes like this, see? Geometry. We can slice it up like this. See? It moves quickly. Overall, it's a good program. And I decided to try to recreate what was done in it using my favorite program, Rhinoceros 3D. Here's what I made. This is also a generative mesh. Usually such a mesh is used to lighten the model and reduce its cost. In this case, it is used here so that the model is lighter but just as strong. Just look, if there were just a plain wall here, you could just whack it and it would crack. But instead it has this mesh inside. Tum tum tum. You hit it and it's strong. This mesh can also be used simply as a beautiful design. In this case, this little part was made using the Grasshopper plugin in Rhinoceros. And here I set up a cutting plane. In the next video, I'll compare the Rhinoceros program and the Topology program and show their pros and cons. This was Robert F. Tefib with you. Bye bye everyone!